Hello everyone. Welcome to GK Quest. In this video let's learn about hydrogen fuel, the future of clean energy. What is it and what are different types of hydrogen fuel? What is hydrogen fuel? Hydrogen, H2, is the most abundant element in the universe. It can be used as a fuel in fuel cells to generate electricity, producing only water vapor as a byproduct. Hydrogen is seen as a clean alternative to fossil fuels. Let's look into types of hydrogen fuels. Hydrogen fuels are classified based on how they are produced. So it can be classified into green hydrogen, blue hydrogen, gray hydrogen, turquoise hydrogen, and brown or black hydrogen. Let's study each one of them. Green hydrogen. What it is? Produced using renewable energy sources like solar or wind power to split water, H2O, into hydrogen, H2 and oxygen, O2, through a process called electrolysis. Why it's special? It's considered the most environmentally friendly because it doesn't release any carbon dioxide, O2, during production. The process uses electricity from renewable sources, which means it's green from start to finish. How it's used? Green hydrogen can be used in fuel cells, for cars, buses, trucks, power plants, and even for industrial processes like making steel. Blue hydrogen. What it is? Blue hydrogen is produced from natural gas, a fossil fuel, using a process called steam methane reforming, SMR. However, during production, the CO2 emissions are captured and stored, carbon capture and storage, or CCS. Why it's not 100% green? It still comes from fossil fuels, so it's not fully clean. But the carbon is captured and not released into the atmosphere, making it cleaner than traditional hydrogen production. How it's used? Like green hydrogen, blue hydrogen can be used in fuel cells and industrial applications. Gray hydrogen. What it is? Gray hydrogen is the most common type, made from natural gas in the same process, SMR, as blue hydrogen. But unlike blue hydrogen, there is no effort to capture and store the CO2 emissions. Why it's not great? It's the least environmentally friendly because it generates a lot of CO2, contributing to climate change. How it's used? Gray hydrogen is often used in industries like oil refining, ammonia production for fertilizers, and other chemical processes. Turquoise hydrogen. What it is? Turquoise hydrogen is a newer concept. It's produced by using a process called pyrolysis, where natural gas is heated without oxygen, breaking it down into hydrogen and solid carbon, in the form of solid carbon pellets. Why it's interesting? Unlike gray hydrogen, turquoise hydrogen doesn't produce CO2 in the process. Instead, it creates solid carbon, which can be stored or even used in other industries. How it's used? It's still a developing technology, but it has potential for use in the same areas as green and blue hydrogen. Brown or black hydrogen. What it is? These types of hydrogen are produced using coal, brown hydrogen, or lignite, black hydrogen, through gasification. The process releases a significant amount of CO2. Why they're the least eco-friendly? They produce a large amount of carbon. They are not considered viable options for a clean energy future. How they are used? They are mainly used in some industrial processes, but because of their environmental impact, they are being phased out in favor of cleaner alternatives. To summarize, green hydrogen, cleanest, made with renewable energy. Blue hydrogen, made from natural gas, but CO2 is captured. Gray hydrogen, made from natural gas, no CO2 is captured. Turquoise hydrogen, uses natural gas, but instead of CO2 gas, it creates solid carbon. Brown-black hydrogen, made from coal or lignite, very polluting. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe GK Quest.